Good morning everyone. Today I am here with the next video lecture of the chapter Measures of Central Tendency, Median and Mode. I am here with the next topic of the chapter, that is partition value. In this we will cover three heads, that is quartile, decile and percentile. Before studying the numerical portion, first we will go through the meaning of the topic and the heads we will be covering in the topic. First of all, what is partition value? The value that divides the series into more than two parts is called partition value. In median, what we have studied now, that is the value that divides the series into two parts, that is known as the median. But now the value that divides the series into more than two parts is known as partition value. First is quartile. If a statistical series is divided into four equal parts, quarter word is related to 4. If a statistical series is divided into four equal parts, the end value of each part is called a quartile. Q1 is known as the lower quartile. Q2, it is same as the median only. Q3 is known as the upper quartile. Quartile is represented by Q. Q1 lower quartile, Q2 is same as median only, and Q3 it is known as upper quartile. Second is decile, deca. Decile word is related to 10. Decile distribute the series into 10 equal parts and is generally expressed as D. Accordingly, we have 9 deciles, D1, D2, D3 till D9. This is known as your decile. Percentile. Percentile divides the series into 100 equal parts. Percent is related to 100 now. Percentile divides the series into 100 equal parts and is generally expressed as P. There are 99 percentiles in a series ranging from P1, P2, P3 till P99. So these three topics, that is the quartile, decile and percentile, this we will study in the form of numericals also. Quartile is related to 4, decile is related to 10 and percentile is related to 100. As we have studied in median, no, what we have studied in individual series, the formula was n plus 1 upon 2th term, because in median the value of the series is divided into two parts. That's why we have divided it by 2. In quartile, we will divide it by 4. In decile, we will divide it by 10. In decile, we will divide it by 10. And in percentile, we will divide it by 100. Same procedure as we have studied in median, no. Only the difference is, in median what we did? Divided by 2. Because median divides the value of the series into two parts. Quartile divides the value of the series into 4 parts. Decile divides the value of the series into 10 parts. And percentile divides the value of the series into 100 parts. First question is, from the following data, calculate Q1, Q3, D5 and P9, P25. What we have to calculate? Q1, Q3, D5 and P25. This is which series? Individual series. Only this was given in the question. In individual series, in median also, what we do first of all? We arrange it in the form of ascending order. No. So, this is the ascending order of this series. This is the individual series. First of all, how to calculate Q1? Let us find Q1 first of all. Q1 is equal to, that is your size of n plus 1 upon 4th term. Size of n plus 1 upon 4th term. What is n given in the question? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. That is 11 upon 4th term. Right? It will be which 11? Sorry, it will be 11 plus 1 upon 4th term. Right? So it will be 12 upon 4th term. It will be 3rd term. So what will be the answer of Q1? 1, 2 and 3. Answer will be 26. Now, how to calculate Q3? Q3 is equal to size of, here it is written 3 now. We will write 3 here and n plus 1 upon 4th term. It will be 3 into, what is n? 11 plus 1 upon 4th term. It will be 3 into 12 upon 4. What will be there? 9th term. What will be the 9th term? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Answer will be, what will be Q3? It will be 60. Next, D5. How to calculate D5 now? D5 is equal to size of, here it is 5 no? 5 into n plus 1 upon 10. Deca is related to 10 no? Deca is related to 10. So we divided it by 10. It will be size of 5 into 11 plus 1 upon which term? 10th term. So 5 into 12 upon 10th term. क्या आ जाएगा हमारे पास? It will be 6th term now. 6th term. So D5 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It will be 45. First we have calculated Q1. Simple, that is n plus 1 upon 4. Second we have calculated Q3. We have written 3 here and then same n plus 1 upon 4. And then D5, because deca is related to 10 now. Then 5 into n plus 1 upon 10. Is it clear? Next is P25. How to calculate P25 is equal to size of 25 multiplied by n plus 1 upon percentile is related to 100 now. So it will be 25 multiplied by what is n? That is 11 plus 1 upon 100 term, right? 25 into 12 upon 100. 25 ones are 25 4, and this will be third term. So P25 is equal to third term is 26. So I am writing the answers once again. Q1 is equal to 26. Q3 is equal to 60. D5 is equal to 45. And P25 is equals to 26. Next series is discrete series, in which x and f are given. In case of median, in discrete series, first of all we calculate the cumulative frequency. Now same here we will do. That is, first of all calculate cumulative frequency. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5, 12 plus 12, 24 plus 10, 34 plus 7, 41 plus 5, then 48, and this is your 49. First of all, question is calculate Q1, Q3, D6 and P85. First of all, we will calculate Q1. It is size of n plus 1 upon 4th term. N is equal to sigma f only, no? Whenever frequency is given in the question, the total of frequency will be n. In individual series, n is number of observations, but in discrete series and frequency distribution series, n is equal to total of frequency. What is it? 49. It will be 49 plus 1 upon 4th term. It will be 50 upon 4th term. It will be Q1 is equal to 12.5th term. 12.5th term, it is more than 12 but less than 24. It will lie in this only now. So the answer will be Q1 is equal to 13. Right? Second is you have to calculate Q3. Now how to calculate Q3? Size of 3 into n plus 1 upon 4th term. 3 into n plus 1 upon 4th term. 3 into 49 plus 1 upon 4th term. It will be 3 into 50 upon 4. It will be 37.5th term. What will be there? 37.5th term. 37.5th term will lie in this. So, what will be the answer? It will be Q3 is equal to 50. 41 में तो lie करेगी. 41 के सामने क्या है? That is 50. So Q1 is 13 and Q3 is 50. Now what we have to calculate the next thing? That is your D6. D6 is equal to size of 6 into n plus 1 upon D, no? That is deca and it is related to 10. It will be 6 into 49 plus 1 upon 10th term. 6 into 50 upon 10th term. It will be 30th term. Right? What will be there? 30th term. 30 will lie in this. So, D6 will be 34 वाले में लाई करेगा ना, तो D6 क्या आ जाएगा? 14. Right? Now, P85. P85 is equals to size of 85, जो भी यहाँ पर होगा वो वहाँ पर हमें पहले स्टार्टिंग में लिखना है. 85 multiplied by n plus 1 upon P, that is P is there no, तो n plus 1 upon 100 percentile no, n plus 1 upon 100 so it will be 85 multiplied by 49 plus 1 upon 100th term. 85 into 50 upon 100th term. It will be 42.5 term. 42.5 term. 42.5 term will lie here only. That is, it is more than 41 and less than 46. So, P85 is equal to, इसमें लाया करेगा तो इसके सामने क्या है? 60. This is the answer. Next series is frequency distribution series, in which we are given with class, interval and the frequency. Calculate the values of Q1, Q3, D8 and P56. First of all, we calculate the cumulative frequency. We are given in the question with the class interval in the form of wages and number of workers, that is the frequency. First we will be calculating, that is cumulative frequency. We have calculated the cumulative frequency. Now, in case of median, in frequency distribution series, what we were doing, that is your size of n upon 2th term, no? That was in the case of median. Now, what we have to calculate? Q1, size of n upon 4th term. Right? What is n? That is 160. 160 upon 4th term. It will be 45th term. Right now, it will be 45th term. Sorry, it will be 40th term. Clear? 160 upon 4. It will be 40th term. 40th term will lie in the quartile class. In discrete series, we are directly given with x. Clear? But in frequency distribution series, we are given with the class interval, no? So, for quartile class, it is 10 to 20. Same procedure we will follow. That is your Q1 is equals to L1 plus N upon 4 minus CF upon F into I. What we'll do? What we'll do now? L1, that is 10 plus. What is N upon 4? It is 40. CF इससे ऊपर वाला होगा 22 अपॉन F इसी के सामने वाला 38 और I क्या है? डिफरेंस. राइट, I क्या होगा? दैट इज योर 10. 10 प्लस 18 upon 38 into 10. 10 plus 180 upon 38. 10 plus 4.74. It will be 14.74. Right. Now, second thing we have to calculate is Q3. Q3 is equal to size of size of 3 into n upon 4th term. 3 into what is n? 160 upon 4th term. 3 into 40th term, no? It will be 1/20th term. 1/20th term will lie here only, no? That is what we will get for child class. It is 30 to 40. Q3 is equals to L1 plus 3 into n upon 4. Whatever we write here, we will take it same over here. 3 into n upon 4 minus CF upon F into I. What is L1? 30 plus. What is 3 into n upon 4? 120 minus CF इससे ऊपर वाला होगा. That is 106 upon F इसी के सामने वाला. That is 35 multiplied by. What is the difference of class interval? 10 is going on now. So 30 plus 14 upon 35 into 10. Then it will be 30 plus 140 upon 35. After dividing, we will get 4 and answer of Q3 will be 34. Clear? Next, what we have to calculate? D8 as well as P56. In the same question only we have to calculate D8 also and P56. D8 size of, that is D deca related to 10. Size of 8, that is from here we have written 8 into n upon 10th term. 8 into 160 upon 10, we got 128th term. 128th term will lie in this class interval. That is in 141 only, no? So, it will be 30 to 40. D8 is equals to L1 plus 8 into n upon 10 minus CF upon F into I. What is L1? That is 30 plus. What is 8 into n upon 10? It is, we have calculated here, दैट इज 128. CF इससे ऊपर वाली 106 अपॉन F क्या है, फ्रीक्वेंसी is 35 into class interval gap is 10. 30 plus 22 upon 35 into 10. 30 plus 220 upon 35. It will be 30 plus 6.29. Answer will be 36.29. Right? Now also we have to calculate P56. It is size of 56 multiplied by n upon 100th term now. It will be 56 multiplied by, what is n? It is 160 upon 100. What we will get? That is your 89.6 term. 89.6 term. Now, where it will lie? It will lie in this class interval only. That is the class interval 20 to 30. Percentile class will be, it will lie in 20 to 30. Right? P56 is equal to L1 plus 56 into n upon 100 minus CF upon F into I. What is L1? 20 plus. This we have calculated, that is 89.6 minus CF, that is 60 upon frequency is 46 into class interval is 10. Plus 29.6 upon 46 into 10. 20 plus 6.43. Answer will be 26.43. Go through the topic. Today, what we have discussed, that is quartile, decile and percentile. Thank you. Stay safe. Take care.